Have you ever spent hours staring at a blank document, desperately trying to craft the perfect YouTube script? Well, what if I told you those days are officially over? Today, we're diving into something that's completely revolutionizing how content creators approach script writing. And trust me, once you see what this can do, you'll never want to go back to the old way again. Picture this scenario. Multiple viral YouTube videos racking up millions of views, incredible watch times, and audience retention rates that most creators only dream about. Now here's the kicker. None of these scripts were written by expensive freelancers or agencies. Instead, they were all generated by an artificial intelligence tool that's making waves in the creator economy right now. I'm talking about TubeMagic AI, and this platform is genuinely changing the game for YouTubers everywhere. Whether you're just starting out or you're already established, this tool can help you create professional-grade scripts in any niche you can imagine. And we're talking about getting this done in just 30 minutes or less. Let me share some real results with you. I have a friend who used this system to generate a script that delivered over 9 minutes of average watch time with 40% audience retention. That's not some lucky accident either. He's replicated these results multiple times, and I've personally seen dozens of other creators achieving similar success. Now, you might be wondering what makes TubeMagic AI so special compared to other writing tools out there. The answer lies in its unique approach to understanding your content needs. Unlike traditional AI writing assistants that give you generic responses, TubeMagic actually learns from the best performing content in your specific niche. Think about the current landscape of script writing for YouTube. You basically have three options. First, you can spend countless hours writing scripts yourself, often struggling with structure, hooks, and keeping viewers engaged throughout the entire video. Second, you can hire freelancers from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, which typically costs anywhere from $50 to $200 per script, and there's no guarantee the quality will meet your expectations. Third, you can work with professional scriptwriting agencies, but we're talking about thousands of dollars for ongoing projects. TubeMagic AI completely disrupts this model by offering a fourth option that combines the best of all worlds. You get professional quality scripts at a fraction of the cost, delivered in a time frame that would be impossible with the traditional methods. Here's what makes this platform so powerful. It doesn't just generate random content based on simple prompts. Instead, TubeMagic allows you to feed it multiple sources of inspiration. You can input top-performing videos from channels you admire, educational content about scriptwriting best practices, and topic-specific research materials. The AI then synthesizes all this information to create scripts that feel authentic and engaging. The variety of script formats this tool can handle is impressive too. Whether you need story-based narratives, educational content, personal brand videos, documentary-style scripts, or any other format that performs well on YouTube, TubeMagic can adapt to your needs. What really sets TubeMagic apart from other AI tools is its long-term memory capability. While most AI assistants forget your preferences after a few interactions, TubeMagic remembers your style, tone, and structural preferences. This means each script gets better and more tailored to your specific brand voice over time. The cost comparison is honestly mind-blowing when you break it down. A single freelancer-written script can easily cost you $100 to $200, and that's just for one video. With TubeMagic, you're looking at roughly $25 per month for unlimited script generation. Do the math on that. If you publish just 2 videos per month, you're already saving hundreds of dollars compared to hiring freelancers. But the savings go beyond just money. Time is arguably even more valuable for content creators. Writing a quality script from scratch can take 4 to 6 hours, especially when you factor in research, structuring, and multiple revisions. With TubeMagic, you can have a complete professional script ready in 30 minutes. The quality factor is crucial here too. When you hire freelancers, you're rolling the dice on whether they truly understand your niche, your audience, and your brand voice. With TubeMagic, you're training the AI specifically on content that already performs well in your space, virtually guaranteeing that the output will be relevant and engaging. I want to emphasize that this isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about amplifying it. TubeMagic handles the heavy lifting of research, structure, and initial draft creation, leaving you free to focus on adding your personal touch, refining the message, and ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your vision. The platform also makes it incredibly easy to iterate and improve your scripts. If you want to expand on a particular section or adjust the tone, you can do that with simple prompts, and the AI will maintain consistency with the rest of the script. For creators who are serious about scaling their content production, TubeMagic represents a fundamental shift in how you can approach YouTube. Instead of being limited by writing skills or budget constraints, you can focus on what really matters, creating engaging videos that serve your audience. The bottom line is this: TubeMagic AI is democratizing access to professional-level script writing. Whether you're a solo creator just starting out or an established channel looking to increase your content output, this tool can help you achieve results that were previously only available to creators with significant budgets. Your next viral video really could be just one well-crafted script away, and now you have the tools to create that script without breaking the bank or spending days on research and writing. Ready to transform your script writing process? Click the link in the description below to watch my complete tutorial on how to use TubeMagic AI effectively, and don't forget to try it out for yourself. Trust me, once you experience how easy and effective this system is, you'll wonder how you ever created content without it.